Oh, easy question. For me, it was about winning, and Tortona is building a winning team with experience and really ambitious. And it's, to be honest, I know I only have a few years left to play, and I want to win as much as possible. At least have the opportunity to win the championship. I mean, Casale will always be family, you know, but on the court, I'm always going to play for the team that I play for. I mean, I love Casale, but this year I'm playing for Tortona to win the championship. No. If I mean, I received whistles, Virtues Fortitudo. You know, this is. I'm not afraid of that. I mean, if they do that, that's a sign of respect to me. I mean, obviously, there's always some talks with other teams, but when this opportunity comes along and the project, the ideas, everything about it, when I spoke with Tortona and spoke with the team, it was an easy decision. You know, it was hard to leave a team after 4 years, but it was also a very easy decision. Ooh, the best player. Wow. Man, there's been so many good players in different ways. Obviously, you have great players on the court. You have some great off-the-court players. Shoot. On the court, I mean, Travis Best is one of the best playmakers that I played with. I was really surprised, to be honest with you. I thought it was smaller, but it's really nice. It's really, you know, my family, we've been around, you know, just a little bit, but everything we see is great. The people are nice. You know, we love it. And whew, it's probably the father of 4 children, honestly. I mean, it's not only because of the work, but because of you're dealing with someone's life every day, and not remembering the plays, remembering the offense or defense, you know. But it's not work. Both, I'm equally thankful to do both. You know, it's not, both are difficult, but both I'm very lucky to have, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Ooh, I have to say agnolotti because my family loves agnolotti. My daughter Bea, that's all she eats now. Ooh, one of the original favorites was gramigna alla salsiccia. Pizza's okay, but you know, American pizza's pretty good too. I know everybody's gonna get mad. All right, thank you for the questions.